Today's the 4th of July, and guess what we're gonna be doing? We're gonna be baking because we have a little party afterwards. So I'm making this super cool cheesecake that looks like the American flag, get it? So it's gonna be soups awesome. 4th of July baking. So I thought I'd vlog it for you guys to show you the super cool recipe. Disaster or fantastic. This is what it looks like. It's no bake American flag cheesecake. Apparently it's supposed to be really easy. So I don't know when you're gonna be seeing this video, but first thing I'm gonna need is a mixing bowl, and I'm gonna combine graham cracker crumbs because I'm gonna crush them, melted butter and sugar, and then I'm gonna stir it. You know, last time I did a baking video, it was for my danishes. Go watch that if you haven't already. It says 2 cups of graham cracker. I'm planning to put it in a Ziploc bag and then crush it that way. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the vacuum. I crushed up. I'm going to tell you how much it took so you guys don't have to like wing it. But it took like a whole sack, like 4 more. This in here. Next we're going to need 1/3 of granulated sugar. 1 cup of butter melted. What's 1 cup of butter in 6? Let's do 6 of butter. And I'm going to use salted. And I put it for 1 minute. We're gonna see how it is, and I'm probably gonna mix it and then maybe some more time. We'll see. Careful, the bowl's gonna be hot. And now we are going to stir. I'm gonna use a spatula. It says to use an ungreased pan like this. Okay, I don't know what size the pan I used is, but on the recipe it says 13 by 9, just in case you want to have an idea. It ended up pretty good. It's super buttery. Like when I squished it, you'd see the butter pop up. So definitely not healthy, but in a separate large bowl, use a hand mixer to blend the cream cheese, lemon juice, and sugar until smooth and creamy. We're gonna use 3 packs of cream cheese. It says softened, so I may stick it in the microwave for a little bit. Hey guys, so it turns out you can't put that in the microwave. So we're gonna like unwrap it and put it in a bowl, and then we'll put it in the microwave, but only for like 10 seconds. Half a cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. We use a bunch of Cool Whip here. The whole thing of 2 of these Cool Whip ounces, it's 8 ounces each. Wow. Guys, now we're going to put the lid on, refrigerate it for 4 to 6 hours. Overnight will give you best results. I will see you guys after that. Hi guys. So I just got ready for, the event. It's been almost like 4 hours exactly. I'm gonna finish. Before I get it out of the freezer, I'm gonna open these up. Yeah, it's blueberry pie filling and topping and cherry pie filling and topping. Okay, so she says to use a toothpick to like draw it out first. That way there's less room for mistakes. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna open maybe the blue first. She uses sprinkles to put the stars, but I didn't get any sprinkles. Hello? guys the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you how to make it, and I hope you guys try it because it looks really cute. Please like and subscribe on this video. If you want to see more baking videos, make sure to tell me because I do vlogs. Because I do vlogs and travel videos as well. Happy 4th of July, guys. Bye.